Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, in a two-digit number, the units digit is 2 times the tens digit and the sum of the two digits is 12. Find the number. Suppose the two-digit number be xy with unit digit be y and tens digit be x. So from given information, here as units digit, that is y, is 2 times the tens digit, so y equals to 2x. Suppose this is equation number 1. Also we have given the sum of the digits is 12, so x plus y is 12. Suppose this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we can take here x plus, as y equals to 2x, so x plus 2x equals to 12, so 3x equals to 12. Dividing both the sides by 3, we get x equals to 4. So if we substitute x equals to 4 in 1, y will be 2 times 4, that is 8. Hence the required two-digit number be two-digit number is 48.